I want to live in here forever.
Oh, we'll make that arrangement.
Cool. I need taking a picture.
No, I wouldn't take a picture of this. I'm videoing it so I can put it on YouTube.
Why? This is what happens.
Because you're in a cage, Brittany. And we're not letting you out.
This is ridiculous. This should totally be your advertisement for your shop.
I know we should. Hey, I know.
People want to be clean here.
See, I'll get the wrong impression.
Now it's so good that people want to be clean here. And then the dog's just running around. You have two girls in a cage.
I know. That's the way we roll here, isn't it, little dog? Dogs free. Troublemakers where they belong.
I made no trouble. I didn't see you like this one.
I made no trouble. You sure?
Yes.
How about you? Why are you in the cage?
Why am I in the cage?
Yeah.
Because
She has a rude boyfriend.
The other dog peed.
oh yeah, okay, because I bit his ankles.
What did you call that?
What?
Ankle biting shit routine.
Hey, cough
How
like
did you run?
cough like a mime.
How did you
Cough like a mime.
run?
Say it quick.